Alright, I hope this will be clear enough. Let's try to zoom in this one so you can see better. I don't know, we'll check that. Okay, it's easy job. It's very simple to change this one, to change this rear wiper. They tend to fail a lot quicker than aftermarket one. So look at this. This is less than 1 year old. I'm going to replace it with a genuine one. This is the original one. This part number. It's not that hard, it's very easy. Just hold the arm and push from the top, then pull this side. I'm sorry, pull this side like that. Very simple. And here's the new one. Here's the the reverse of the removal. Like the same angle that when we take it out, just like that. Push towards the arm. Okay. Then from here, from the downside, don't catch it from this one. This one is a little soft, so catch it from this portion and push. That's it. Very easy. Okay, I've cleaned this now. I just wanted to show you how to replace this quickly. If you like my content, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.